everyone, my name is Aarohi and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in my last video, I have explained you what are tuples, how tuples are different from a list. So today we will study the next topic, which is dictionary. So let's understand in detail what is dictionary and when to use dictionary. So let's create a new file for it. So click on this file, new file, new notebook, and here name it dictionary program and click on rename. So here we will write the code. First, let me tell you the syntax how to create dictionary. So let's say you want to create a dictionary with the name of person equals to. Now you will write the curly braces. See guys, till now we have studied list and tuple, right? First we studied list, and in list whenever we want to create any list we use square brackets. Then we learned how to use tuple, and to create a tuple we use this parenthesis, and now we are learning dictionary. So dictionary, how we create dictionary, we use these curly braces, and in dictionary we store data in the form of key value pair. We store data like this. How? Let me show you. So let's say you want to create one dictionary with the name of person, and in that dictionary you have one key with the name of name, and here the value is Aarohi. So this is the key. This key have this value, comma. Now let's write the second key. So second key is, let's say, phone number, phone number. And here you can write the phone number. So let's say this is the value in it. Then we want to store one more record here. So this time let's write city, Delhi. So these are the three records in this person dictionary for now. So this is a key, this is its value. It is in the form of a pair. In the same way, this is the second record, key is phone number, and this is the value stored in it. And this is the third key, and this is the value which is associated with it. So this is how you create dictionary. Now, if you want to print this dictionary, you will write print, and then in parentheses, just write the name of that dictionary. This, see, it is in curly braces. This key have this value, this key have this value, this key have this value. Now let's say if you want to access this value, you will write the name of the key which is having that value. Let me show you practically. So let's say you want to see what is the name stored in name key. So you will write person, square bracket, double quotes, and write the name. It will give you the value which is in that key. In the same way, if you want to see the phone number, the actual phone number value, so you will write a dictionary name, square brackets, double quotes, and which key is holding the phone number? This key. This is the key name. So you will write the key name, and that way you can see the value which is there in that key. So like this, you can see the value of this key. And guys, dictionaries are mutable. Mutable means you can change them. So in my last class, I have told you that tuples are immutable, means once you create the tuple, you cannot change their values. Lists are mutable, means once you create the list, later on if you want to modify the value, you can do that. In the same way, dictionaries are also mutable, means you can modify the values later on. So let's say right now the phone number is this, I want to change this value. Okay, so what you can do, just write person, because person is a dictionary name. You will write the dictionary name, then in square brackets, in double quote, write the key name whose value you want to change, and here just write the new number. So let's say the new number is this. Okay, so shift enter. Now if we want to see the updated dictionary, just print the updated dictionary, print, and the dictionary name is person, shift enter. See, earlier the phone number is this and now the phone number is this. We modified it like this. Now let's say you want to delete some record. So we have this record, this record, and this record. Suppose you want to delete one record. So let's say you want to delete this city. So what you will do, you will write the dictionary name dot pop. Pop is a function by which you can remove, and in parenthesis you will write the name of the key. So we want to delete city, so we will write it and enter. Now after executing this command, here write the dictionary name, print the dictionary again just to see if that record is deleted or not. So print the dictionary name is person and enter. See, you have name, you have phone number, but the city, this key value pair is deleted now. Why and how it is deleted? Because we have used this pop method and we have defined here that we want to delete the record, the key value pair of city. Now if you want to check the length of dictionary, so again you will write length method, and here you will write the dictionary name and enter. You get output as 2. Why output as 2? Because this is one record. Dictionary store record in the form of key value pair. So this is first pair and this is second pair. So that's why you got 2 as length. Now let's say guys, here I have shown you how to modify the record. I have also shown you how to delete the record, but how to add one record. So that part we will see now. So let's say you want to add one record in a person dictionary. So write person. Here you will assign the key name. So let's say I'm writing city new. This is the key name, and value which I want to assign it is New Delhi. Right? So I want to create one key with this name. That key will have this value, and I want to create this key value pair in person dictionary. So shift enter. Now we can print the dictionary again. Just print person and see. Now we have that record added in it. And guys, let's say you want to see the values of all the keys. So for that, you can use for loop, write for, and take a variable. This is a temporary variable. Let's say in the name is VAL. In dictionary, what is a dictionary name? Person. Then you will put a colon, because this is the syntax. Whenever you want to use for loop, you write it like this. Then enter. Now we will write, see, our cursor is over here, not here, because Python follows the indentation rule. So you will start writing from here only. So this means that the code which we are going to write now, that code belongs to this for loop. So let's say we want to write print person dot values. This values function will print all the values. Dictionary values, Aarohi, phone number, and New Delhi. We don't have keys. We are only seeing values over here. In the same way, if you want to see the keys, so you will write keys over here and enter. And see, you are seeing the key names only of that dictionary: name, phone number, and city. Name, phone number, and city. And guys, why do we need to study dictionaries? Because guys, when you will work with AI programs, models, you will note that most of the outputs you will see in the form of dictionary. Okay, let me write it over here. So this is one example. So this kind of response you get. So this is a GPT-4 model. This is a LLM by OpenAI. See, this is a key and this is the value. This is the key, this is the value. This is the key, this is the value. So these kind of things you need when you're going to work with applications in AI later on. So that's why we are learning about dictionary, so that later on when you will see this kind of code or this kind of output, you will easily understand, okay, this is a dictionary and the data is stored in the form of key and value. So that's why we are studying dictionary, because later on the models and APIs which you are going to use, they will have data in the form of dictionary. Okay, so the link of this code is given in description section. You can try this code, and in my next video we will see the next topic. Thank you for watching.